So welcome back to my channel, this time for a lens review. If you didn't know, I'm quite fond of pancake lenses, and I've had a lot of them, and I like them because they make my cameras small and very portable, easy to put into a small camera bag. But this pancake lens today, which is the 7Artisans 18mm f6.3 fixed aperture lens, is probably the smallest lens that I ever owned. It's been out for some time, or rather the first version of it has been out for some time. That one has also fixed focus, but now you can actually change from infinity to 0.3 meters, and that changes the sharpness of the images quite a bit. So I like that feature. I shoot it on my Fujifilm XT2 and also on my XE1, which is the two Fujifilm cameras that I own right now. And let's see how this small lens performs on these cameras. Dislike the pricing of Lightroom. I'm using Darktable instead. But let's see what I've done to these images from the 7Artisans lens. So if I choose this image of the house and go into the darkroom, you can see here that I have a haze removal, and if I set this to on, I've already chosen 0.44 for it. If I choose to set this on, you can see that the image becomes much more clear and the colors stand out very much more. So that's the only thing that I do, and I do this equally for every one of the images from this tour that I went with the 7Artisans lens. I enjoyed to walk around with this lens, and it's mostly because it's a very nice wide angle on my Fuji crop sensor camera, and also because it's a very small lens, so you don't actually see it very much. And the focusing on this version 2 is quite nice to have, and it's pretty sharp close up. But it is not very sharp at all when you look at most of the images I've shot. And the contrast is not very good, though I could improve it with the haze removal. And it has some vignetting, so it's not a very technically sharp lens, but it's nice to use anyway. I hope you liked the review of the Artisans 18mm f6.3 lens, the smallest pancake lens that I have ever owned. I did have a Fujifilm 18mm f2 lens once, but that wasn't a very sharp lens. This definitely isn't sharper than that one. It's less sharp than that one, but it's interesting because it's so small, and I like very much the view that this 18mm give on my camera. So I'm happy to use this one if I'm not searching for the wildest of sharpness. If you liked my review here, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button so you can get more videos like this from my side. Thank you for today, and bye for now.